Good day, class. So for this assignment, we are going to be doing our topic on folklore and legends. Now, the reason for this is because folklore and legends have existed as the foundations of our beliefs and behaviors. They've shaped how we function as a society and our cultures. Now, throughout the United States, there is, of course, the American culture, but there's also cultures within cultures, if that makes sense. Now, some of the most known folklore in American history is the legend of Bigfoot, or Sasquatch, in the northern region by Canada, and in the south, he's known as the skunk baby. Now, a lot of your resources that you will look at will say that the legend had begun about 60 years ago. But there's others, as I was doing a little bit of research for you guys, according to Skeptical Humanities, the earliest encounter was actually in 986 AD by Leif Erikson and his men, as you can see that is written right here. They are described as horribly ugly, hairy, swarthy, and with great black eyes. And up here, he had mentioned encountering hairy, ugly giants that uttered harsh cries, which actually is in line with what I know of Bigfoot. Being from Western Washington, we do have quite a bit, and I'm actually kind of excited to share with you guys from the area that I've lived in for 18 years before moving to Spokane. I lived in a small village over in Mossy Rock, and that's about a few miles west of the legend of Batsquatch. I know, right? So, as you can see here, this is a little map of the different legends and folklore that shape the culture in that area. You hear about the Wahila, the Batsquatch, Sasquatch, Charlie, which looks oddly like the Loch Ness Monster, as the Turtle Lake Monster in Ogopogo. So yeah, we have a lot of really interesting folk tales in that area that I would like to learn more about. So if you're from that area, feel free to inform me more on that. Now, other topics that we will be discussing, or that you can choose to do your research on, are vampires, the legend of the American vampire, and you can see right here it's a Native American vampire myth and legend. And back in 1892, there was a vampire hysteria that had overtook the area, and I have a sneaking suspicion it could have been tuberculosis because of that. But you guys can go ahead and take a look at any of these, as long as they're well or reliable documented sources. And other ones include the Mothman Museum, or the Legend of Mothman. And you can see here is the museum, and the culture in this area is immersed in the Mothman. You can see that they even have a statue, a museum that tells all about that legend. Now there's Paul Bunyan, the Flathead Lake Monster, the fire goddess Pele. Let's see. You can see in the sacred text You can do the Legends of Maui. Let's see, and these all right here shape Hawaiian culture and how the people believe, their superstitious beliefs. And there's also the Three Sisters volcano in Oregon, and any other myth or legend, or actually I should say not myth, but legends or folk tales that you want to dig deeper into. Just go ahead and contact me and we'll discuss the details and we can go from there. So you will do some deep research into the origin of the legend and how it shaped the culture of your area. As you gather information, you'll record your findings in the form of a video. And from that, you will create a short documentary about 10 to 15 minutes in length using Screencast-O-Matic, because we have used it throughout our course so far. And once you have completed your video, we will upload it to our class website so that your classmates and I can see and discuss the content of your findings. So by the end of this assignment, you will have strengthened your research skills as well as your presentation skills. And with that, you can build on those skills in the future classes and projects as we progress forward. I really look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. And if you have any questions, contact me through Skype or you can call my cell phone, and I can walk you through any issues and troubleshooting that we need to work on. So I look forward to hearing from everybody, and good luck.